Good morning, guys. My orange, my orange rose is starting to bloom. Orange rose. Is that orange? Oh, yeah, it's dark orange. It's starting to bloom. Before it was dying and now it's blooming now. So pretty. My other roses are all gone. The flowers are gone. So this now is the one is starting to bloom. Okay, that's it. These are my roses.